Okay. Sind wir schon? Darf ich schon? Alles klar. Jetzt müssen wir nicht lachen.
Hi, we are FairFleet and we are a full service provider for drone-powered solution. This means that on the one hand we are capturing data with the help of drones and with the help of our pilots. On the other hand, we transfer these data into useful information and analytics for our clients. So from the program we expect that we have a close relationship or build up a close relationship to the plug-and-play corporate partners, that we do many POCs so that we can show and provide concrete results to the partners and to potential clients.
So our goal within the next year is to find new clients after our POCs here and to develop a good relationship with the partners we found in this program, and of course within all the entire network of Plug and Play to find new partners and to probably be part of another program. So many people ask us why we are called FairFleet. Actually nobody really knows. We first were called drones with a Z in the end, but that was too slang, and so we thought that FairFleet is a great name. New Clients, Crew, jetzt werde ich angerufen, geil. Jetzt bin ich raus. Muss ich nochmal machen.
Nochmal.